That's the funny part.
Hey, I'm recording. Are you excited for your big day? And
I am so excited for my big day. I cannot wait. It's like 2 weeks away. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with Adam. He's amazing. I love him so much, and I miss him because I want someone to make out with. Please don't post that.
I'll have to cut that out.
Cut that one out. I love
Ooh. So me and Nog
Whoa!
are
It's
on a
moving!
car wash. He's kind of scared. Is this your first car wash?
In this truck where the thing takes us in and eats us. Ah!
And the guy's like spraying it, so we can see what's happening right here.
We're dying!
This is my first time. I've always wanted to go on one, dude. Dude, everything's color. Ew! What's happening? Oh my gosh, we're gonna die! It stinks. Yeah. Close your vent. Is it closed? Look at that. Freaking killing us. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh, just kidding. Here goes.
Oh, what the heck is that?
Ah! Ew, that's so
It's a
scary.
tongue!
Ew! That's freaking scary. This is the freaking scariest thing in my life. That's freaking disgusting. The tongue. Oh great, what are these? The dryer? Oh yeah. Blow it now. It's coming. Oh my god. That's freaking intense. That's so... Are you okay?
It's scary! Look at my hood, it's shaking!
Oh my god. On green go. And that was it. That's what happened. So, crap. How did you enjoy it, Nog?
That was scary, I'm sweating.
It's hot. It was hot in there. Can we roll down the window now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It smelled and it was hot. It was cool and awesome. Okay, bye. Hi guys, it's me again, and I've been not recording stuff. Me and Dennis have been like shopping around. I got this new case, or Dennis got it. Well, I was gonna buy it, but he grabbed it. Anyway, here's my wheels. And he got a robot.
He's about to say his name.
Tell us your name.
Transform! Come on, little robot, you gotta transform.
Thumbs up for Skrillex. Bye, Skrillex! That is the moon. It's freaking disgusting. Oh crap. We're on our way back and it's dark. But you can see the mountains. Well, not in the video. Nagu. Not a fish. Don't crash, okay? There's the fishy wishy. His name is Shark Baby. And yeah. And that's it. Bye. Hey, so I'm home now, and I just wanted to say that things have been going great. I just haven't been vlogging. Days lately have been a bit dull, so I decided that if I do miss a day of vlogging on accident, it's pretty much because the day didn't contain anything fun-filling or anything significant really. Today I did get to actually record some stuff, so I realized that I had fallen out of the habit. Approaching less than 2 weeks before my SAT, so I do need to study. Right now I need to shower, but I did buy this at Ross. It is a plastic lantern, but it is pretty and it is white and it is fake light in it, so it's not working at the moment. I also got this dress that is lacy. It's hard to tell, oopsie, what it looks like because, yeah, so those are the sleeves, and then, yeah, I'm just kind of holding it with one hand. But yeah, it was really fun hanging out with my cousin, just cruising in Merced, and we went to the music store, played some instruments. He played the guitar, played the piano. Oopsie, I'm trying to close my blinds. I need to take a shower and next I have to work tomorrow, so I don't have that big of an update, but I've been doing quite well. I do have these little tattoos, one on this wrist, he's so cute, it's blurry, and this wrist, he's cute as well. I know, I'm just being silly. To conclude, I'm going to go to bed after I take my shower. I'm going to go to work tomorrow, and I do need to keep studying because I need to act serious. I am serious. I've just been failing at studying.
Got to put in a check in the bank today, but I'm still $16 overdrawn. So I'm debating whether I should transfer money anyway, and then I think I should be okay. Yeah, because the month's ending, so it's just they like you only can transfer a certain amount of times, and I don't know how many times I did this month. But you say I don't do over 6, and I think 6 is the limit. But they will take your savings account away if you overuse it. So like I just try to be super careful, which helps me save, so I'm like glad about that feature. But I've been pulling out a lot lately, so I'm just like trying to avoid it, thinking, am I going to make money enough time to put it in, because I do have overdraft protection, so technically I'm borrowing money right now that allowed me to make, you know, the payment that I did that caused me to overdraft. Anyway, long story short, I'm thinking, is there enough time? Am I going to receive money in any form? Which I do believe I am for Wednesday, because I have a photo shoot Wednesday. I can't remember who it's with. Oh, now I remember. Anyway, okay, I'm done, bye. Or actually, good night.